We chose to work with the Danish brand Kvadrat for the custom wool cover for the stage.
We were quite excited about Bang Olufsen's inquiry because we're always striving to push the boundaries for textile design and textile use.
So the natural wool just brings warmth to the product, so it feels familiar among the other furniture in your home. It's a textile that is crafted in close collaboration with our acousticians. It's to make sure that it's perfectly fitting and it's woven for the best sort of acoustical performance.
So to work with a company that also has a tradition in design and in craftsmanship is of course extremely interesting, and at the same time it gave us an opportunity to work and engineer on a textile that should fulfill acoustic properties, but at the same time be designed so that it has a modern aesthetic fitting interiors.